Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mount here, and basically what this is a bike phone mount that you can use on your bike, your scooter, or anywhere else. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and they call it the BP03, and then right here is basically what the product looks like. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So right here they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. Next up right here, they provide guys the grip, so that way you can grip it onto your bike, your scooter, or anywhere else. And the way how you use it is actually very simple. What you're gonna do is loosen this part up and just twist it to loosen it up, or you can tighten it up as well. And they give you guys the option right here to take off each different section, so that way you can tighten up or loosen it up depending on what you guys are putting on. Like I mentioned, you do have the option to put it on your scooter or your bike and etc. And this part right here is where you guys want to insert it onto the actual product, which is the mount, which is right here. So take out the wrapper. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like in the front. If you guys turn to the other side, here is the back. So here is basically where you want to insert the actual back part of the mount, which is what I showed you guys just now. If you guys know on the top part, they do have a lock and unlock button. And basically what that does is that when you guys unlock right now, if you guys open it, you do have the option to open up this part here. But once you guys lock it, if you guys try to open it again, we can't open it anymore because it's locked. So pretty cool how she give you guys the option so that way you guys can lock it in place and prevent it from moving around. If you guys look at the corners throughout the product, they do have the protection. So if you guys ever drop it, it is protected. Also in the interior as well, if you see we do have like the non-scratch material in the back, and also for the inner layer here. So not only does it work as a phone mount, but also help you guys protect your phone if it does drop when you guys are riding your scooter, your bike, or anything else. And the way how they designed this phone grip actually works for many type of phone, whether it's the iPhone 12, Samsung phones, iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is universal for many type of phones. So for this test, I'm gonna use my iPhone 13 Pro, but I set the back part right here first. So what I'm gonna do is loosen this part up. Once you guys loosen it up, you guys wanna push this in until it locks in. Once you guys do that, you guys want to tighten it back up. And you guys can adjust this part right here to base on your own preference, so that way you can fit it to wherever you guys want. So I mentioned if you guys want to take all this out, you do have the option available. And you guys can just use it for this part right here. Or you can just add in each different layers on here depending on how many you guys need. And I'll show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do set up in a second. But then I just put on my phone first. So when you guys put your phone on here, it's actually very easy. You just want to go like this and just push down and clamp it in place. Once you guys clamp it in place, you guys want to lock it in the back. So that way the product is all secured. So if you guys try to take it out, you guys can't. And because the back part has a ball head design, you do have the option to adjust it how you guys want to in different angles. But that is how you guys set up the product. Let me actually go set this up onto somewhere to actually grip it to show you guys what she looks like. And I will come back and tell more product in a second. So the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. First thing you guys want to do is loosen up this part right here. Once you guys loosen it up, you guys want to fit this part inside. So if you guys notice right now it's kind of loose because it's not enough. So what I'm going to do is put enough of these inside. Once you guys do that, you guys want to tighten it up. So you can see once you guys set it up, it definitely has a pretty good grip on here. Like I mentioned, once you guys finish this step, you guys can push this part right here to tighten it up. You probably want to use 2 hands to do it. But once you guys do that, then it's all set. And it does have a pretty good grip when you guys do fully set it up. So whether if you guys want to use it for your bike, your scooter, or whatever, that is up to you guys. But you can see it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test about it definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So you can see from the test when you guys do use it, it definitely gives you guys a pretty good grip. So that way when you guys actually use it, you don't have to worry about it actually falling anytime soon. And even if it does drop, you don't have to worry about it because it definitely has the protection throughout the actual product. In terms of the bumper design that I mentioned on the side. And also within the actual grip as well, like I mentioned earlier when I show you guys the different parts. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality bike phone mount that you can use for your bicycle, your scooter, or anything else to hold your phone when you guys are riding it. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want, don't need one, or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.